It's your boy Yonas, and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the green screen that comes with your Creator Cam. First, you want to find a place to hang up your green screen. I prefer a well-lit area. I'll put the clothespins here. Oops, like this, like so. Put it in. Very nice. If you're having trouble like me, you're going to have to ask a grown-up to help you. Next, pick your background. There's all different kinds. You can do flying, you can do hearts, you can do flowers, haunted house. Ooh, haunted house. You can set up your Creator Cam by holding it by the handle, or you could do it by setting up the tripod. Make sure this camera is hitting the green screen, and remember to always press record. This is fun! Yeah! Let's check out the dinosaur. Woo! You can't catch me, dinosaur! You're way too slow! Oh wait, run! Okay, let's get out of here right now. Bye. I hope you learned something. It's your boy Yonas. See you next time.